Bluetooth earbuds. They all look the same and work the same. Until now. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless. We designed and engineered these for today's multi-device world. Pair it with all your devices and rapidly switch connection to any device, anytime you want. We made a smart charging case with its own embedded processor and an OLED display screen. Beautifully crafted in a matte black finishing, this smart case is the user interface for your earbuds. Switch connections seamlessly via the smart case. Watch the morning news on your Android tablet, then switch to your iPhone for your favorite music as you head out to work. You have complete audio control, from volume to transparency mode to toggling ANC, all from an intuitive user interface. And it has an OLED display, showing vital stats such as battery life, so you know you will not run out of power during a call. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless, the earbuds for your entire day. The earbuds last an amazing 24 hours on a single charge and 50 hours with a charging case, so you can leave them in your ears the whole day. And one more thing, it's Bluetooth 5.2 and LE audio ready. Tune into LE audio broadcast sources easily, then switch out to your personal device anytime you want and jump back in right after. Seamless switching, an amazing user experience. You are ready for this new world. We've integrated premium tier features such as transparency mode, Qualcomm Adaptive ANC, always-on voice assistant, true wireless mirroring, aptX voice, aptX adaptive, 8th gen CVC processing, and it is IPX5 rated. As a startup, Morph has been on the market for a year selling our current Bluetooth neckband earphones. Our happy customers have given us hundreds of 5-star reviews for our amazing audio quality, unbeatable comfort fit, and beautiful aesthetics. The Morph Infinite Connect is our next product, and it's already at a working prototype stage. Our mission is to disrupt the earbuds market by bringing a completely new user experience standard to this industry. We ask for your help in this crowdfunding campaign to bring the future of true wireless to reality.